So if you want to go ahead and let's say, for example, publish out your work as a PDF format, then what you can actually do is you can go around onto the file menu, and over here you can see that publish to PDF is an option. So once you go ahead and select publish to PDF right here, then you can see that this is what you have. You get the option to actually go ahead and select publish to PDF. So now you can go around onto, let's say, for example, desktop right here, and then you can go ahead and let's say, for example, give it a file name. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say sample design right here, just like this. So once you go ahead and do that, you can go around onto settings right here, and then you can see the different options for the PDF that that you can select. For example, you can choose only the current page or different pages right here, as you can see right here, and choose around the PDF preset as you like as well. For example, you can select RGB or so forth, like web and so forth as well. So apart from that, you can also choose the compatibility level for the PDF as well, and choose a PDF preset accordingly, just like this. You can change around the color mode to RGB, CMYK or native. You can go ahead and change around the document properties right here. You can also go ahead and change around the object right here, change around the DPIs and so forth, and change around different things right here, as you can see. You can also add in security if you want to right here, but for that you need to go ahead and choose certain PDF format. So over here you can also add in passwords to PDF right here. So let me just go ahead and then choose an open password. So let me just add in 123 right here, for example, right here, just like this. If you got any issues, then you can actually see the issues right here, just like this. So it says the document contains small fonts, so this might be an issue. So if you were to go ahead and change the settings, it might be solved out. But let me just press OK, and over here in my desktop, I'm going to go ahead and save it, and the PDF file will be saved onto my desktop. So now if I were to go around over here, you can see that this is my PDF file right here, just like this. And if I were to go ahead and open it, then this is what you have, as you can see. So it is asking me for the password. So if I were to type in 123 and submit, you can see the file now in PDF format, just like this. So this is how you can go ahead and then publish things to PDF inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.